Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're tackling something that's buzzing in 2025. How to see +1 more on Snapchat. If you're like me, you've probably spotted that intriguing +1 more indicator on your friends' stories or chats and wondered what hidden gems it unlocks. Spoiler alert. It's a nifty way to access extra content, like unseen snaps, exclusive stories, or even personalized recommendations. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. Snapchat rolls out features like this one frequently, especially in 2025, so you're going to want the latest version for smooth sailing. Once that's done, open the app and log in if you haven't already. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Start by going to your main feed or the Stories section. That's the page with all those colorful circles. Look for a chat or story that has the +1 more badge. Tap on it, and you'll see a prompt asking if you want to unlock more. Simply swipe up or tap the button that says View +1 more. This might require a quick verification, like a fingerprint scan or a passcode, to ensure it's you and not some sneaky bot. If you're having trouble, here's a pro tip. Make sure your account settings allow for enhanced features. Go to your profile, tap the gear icon for settings, and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Enable additional content access if it's not already on. This feature is designed to show you more relevant snaps based on your activity, so it's super personalized. One more thing. If +1 more isn't showing up, it could be because the content is time-sensitive or restricted to certain users. Try engaging more with your friends' stories to unlock it faster. And remember, Snapchat's algorithms change, so keep an eye on updates. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered seeing +1 more on Snapchat in 2025. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if this helped or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.